Connect the wire tab connector to the center wire of the 7-pin tow connector, which serves as the reverse signal for the OPT7 LED light bar. Clean the light bar placement surface and do it for both sides. Snake the wiring through the bumper gap and pull from the bottom. Peel off the double-sided tape and place both light bar in the center position of your choice. For best visibility, make sure light bar is aligned with the tailgate door. If the OPT7 logo looks right side up, then you've got the light bar installed just right. Detach the original 7-pin connector and place the OPT7 plug-and-play tailgate light bar wiring harness in between. Ensure that all connectors are fully engaged and fastened securely. Attach the reverse signal wire of the light bar to the wire tab connector. Then connect the light bar's 4-pin connector to the plug-and-play wiring harness. Utilize the provided zip ties to neatly arrange any loose wires, ensuring they are tightly secured and tucked away beneath the vehicle. Now, let's see the results. Brake light function, left turn signal function, right turn signal function, parking light function, emergency function, reverse light function.